Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here. Today we're going to have a 3-pot reveal. Each one of these pots only started with 1 potato in them, and Sourdough Dave is going to give me a hand today. He's cutting off the leaves right now and getting ready to turn over the first bucket. That's good. Sticking a little bit. Okay. Well, let's see what we got now. It's a little dry on the bottom, and that's not unusual because the summer has been so hot. Now I don't know what's happened here. One of the potatoes started growing. I have no clue what is going on with this one. These are the russets. I knew I had some russets in here. 2 of them are growing in here. I don't know what the heck this is all about. I really don't. And this one is not doing good. And I know there were only 2 potatoes, or 1 potato in each one of these. These are some nice sized potatoes.
There's a double.
But why they're all growing so wonky, it probably has to do with the weather. I'm assuming. This is a double one here, guys. I'm hoping you can see that. And even this one had started growing already. Well, these are about useless, seeing how they've already started growing. And that's it. That's sad. Oh my gosh. They're much bigger, but they are russet potatoes, so let's see how much they are. You can cut the other one down, David. So let's see what we got here. Well, that's not too bad, really. We got 1 pound and 9 ounces from 1 potato, and had these not been so wonky, we would have had more. This is the weirdest thing I have ever seen. I have not seen this before, ever, in the years that I've been doing potatoes in buckets. Okay, I'm going to put these in here, and Dave's going to do the next bucket. Hope we got a little bit better here. I don't know if this is from watering or what's causing it. By the way, it's a beautiful day today. There isn't any smoke in the air for a change, so we're not choking to death. Okay, these are red potatoes, along with a spider. We've got some nice ones here.
I can feel something in there.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, this is giving a nice bucket. Woohoo! Ooh, I feel another one under here. I think there's another one in there too.
There's one.
While Dave looks around, I'm going to put these into the scale. This was a good one, I think. These are nice.
Some little ones.
Some little ones, but mostly big ones. Nice compost yet. Nothing weird or anything in that batch.
A couple more just popped out.
Yeah, some more. Okay, this one we have exactly 2.5 pounds out of one potato. I'm gonna take this and show you if I can without dropping it. Hopefully you can see that at the 2.5 pound mark. So that's great for one potato. Now we'll take the last batch, the last one. Hopefully we can make a little room here. And that last one was the two buckets we just used were 4-gallon buckets that of course are not filled to the top. And I'm beginning to believe you don't even need that much. You can use a lot less than what we had. This one right here.
I know.
And this one is grown in a 3.5-gallon bucket. Doing some chopping over here. Lot of greenery, still green, remarkably. But I think if we had left them in any longer, we might have some problems. We are leaving 3 more buckets. And then my one crazy one, I want to see what that one's going to give me. If it's anything like those 2 weirdo potatoes, it ought to be interesting. Oops, centipede. Kill the centipedes. Here's one. Once again, this is just from one potato. Oh, here's another one. Another one.
Get your fingers out.
My husband likes to play in the dirt too. That one must have been sitting near the original potato. Wow, that's a nice one. Nothing wrong with that potato. Oop, yeah, I can see where the mushy one was. Good thing we got that out of there before
Dang it.
it would have rotted something else away.
Oop, there it is.
Trying to get this yicky stuff off. Not a bad potato. And I just planted these on the 1st of June, so for them to be in the shape that they're in, they're nice, not even 3 months. There's another one.
Bunch of itty bitty ones.
Yeah, the little itty bitty ones we'll just leave.
Bunch of the worms.
And since there's no blight, I can reuse this potting soil, which is sweet. So let's see how many potatoes we got here, or how many pounds rather. Duh. Be careful, hon. I'm gonna shake them off. Take a little bit of that compost off. Oops. Okay, this one, I'm not gonna put those in there. That's little ones. Those are pug potatoes. So on this one, we got 2 pounds and 9 ounces. Not bad for one potato to get over 2.5 pounds of potatoes. I'd say that's calling it really good. So we got 2.5, 2.5, and I think this one was 1.5. Can't beat that, folks, for 3 pots of potatoes. It didn't take a whole lot of compost, didn't take a whole lot of anything except my energy and putting a lot of water in it this summer. Well, if you like this, folks, and I know a lot of people like potato reveals, I'd like to ask you to give me a check or a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so and share my videos with some of your friends who might like worming or gardening. I sure appreciate it. Thank you very much. Love you all. Bye-bye.